Welcome to the transformative world of search engine optimization, SEO, in Module 3 of our blogging masterclass. In this comprehensive 45-minute session, we will delve deep into the intricacies of SEO and provide you with clear instructions, strategies, and examples on how to master and incorporate SEO effectively into your blog. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the tools to boost your blog's visibility, drive organic traffic, and elevate your blogging success. What is SEO? SEO is the practice of optimizing your website or blog to rank higher in search engine results, making it more visible to users searching for relevant topics. Search engines like Google use algorithms to analyze and rank content based on various factors. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements within your blog post, such as keywords, titles, and meta descriptions. Off-page SEO focuses on building your website's authority through backlinks and external references. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They are the words or phrases that users type into search engines. Effective keyword usage helps search engines understand what your content is about and who it's intended for. Keyword research tools. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords for your blog topic. For instance, if you're writing about healthy meal prep, your keyword could be easy healthy meal prep ideas. Longtail keywords. Longtail keywords are more specific phrases that target a niche audience. For example, vegetarian meal prep for beginners is a longtail keyword that narrows down the focus of your content. SEO-friendly titles craft titles that are both engaging and keyword-rich. For instance, 10 time-saving healthy meal prep ideas for busy professionals is a title that appeals to the target audience and includes the keyword healthy meal prep. Meta descriptions. Meta descriptions provide a brief summary of your blog post and encourage users to click. A compelling meta description could be, discover quick and nutritious meal prep ideas that fit your busy schedule. Transform your eating habits today. Create URLs that are concise, descriptive, and include relevant keywords. A well-optimized URL for the above example could be yourblog.com/healthy-meal-prep-ideas. Build high-quality backlinks by guest posting on reputable websites, collaborating with influencers, or earning mentions from authoritative sources. Backlinks signal to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Internal links connect different pages within your blog, guiding readers to related content and improving user experience. For example, if you're discussing meal prep, you could link to a previous post about essential kitchen tools. Essential SEO tools. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your blog's performance, monitor traffic, and identify areas for improvement. If you're using WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack simplify on-page optimization. These plugins provide suggestions to improve your content's SEO and readability. Congratulations! You've navigated the complexities of SEO and armed yourself with strategies to enhance your blog's visibility. By mastering keyword research, optimizing titles and meta descriptions, incorporating effective linking strategies, and utilizing SEO tools, you're well on your way to dominating the search engine rankings. As you embark on your blogging journey, remember that SEO is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor your performance, refine your strategies, and adapt to changes in search engine algorithms. By incorporating these SEO techniques into your blogging routine, you'll attract a larger audience, provide value to readers, and achieve blogging success that stands the test of time. Now it's time to put your newfound SEO knowledge into action and watch your blog soar to new heights in the digital landscape.